Hello all, this is Chinaya Rajesh Kumar from India, Managing Director of FlyBig. I'm very happy and delighted to be a part of EMIT, and a very big thanks to our friend, brother Murtaza Kalender. And I congratulate TravelShop Turkey for their brilliant efforts and what they are doing in EMIT, because we participated in B2B Cyprus workshop. Now we are here for EMIT, and I appreciate what are the works that what TravelShop Turkey does for EMIT. And this is a brilliant ambience where we are almost more than 84 countries participate in this, and where we got exuberance in travel and tourism. A very big thing, thanks to all the kudos to the organizers who made this possible. And the hospitality was wonderful, and here we would had a chance to interact with global audience, global travel suppliers all over the world. And a very big once again thanks to Murtaza Kalender for made it this happen, and I wish him all the best for all his future endeavors. Thank you.